In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test audio in Microsoft Teams. First, open your Microsoft Teams account and make sure you're signed in. This process is useful if you want to quickly confirm that your microphone is working before joining an actual call. Testing ahead of time can help you avoid common issues like low input volume, the wrong microphone being selected, or no sound being detected at all. Once you're inside Teams, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Calendar. This is where your scheduled meetings appear. From here, select any meeting event. When you click on it, a small pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, choose Join. This will open a new window and take you to the meeting lobby. The meeting lobby is the screen you see before officially entering the meeting. It's a useful place to check your settings, especially your audio, without jumping straight into the call unprepared. On this screen, find the audio toggle or audio icon and make sure your computer audio is enabled. If it isn't turned on, click it so Teams can access your sound settings properly. Next, look for the small downward pointing arrow next to your microphone setting and click it. This opens a drop-down menu with more audio options. In that menu, you'll see a volume bar or input level meter. This bar is the key thing to watch during your audio test. When your microphone picks up sound, the bar should rise and move. Try speaking normally or make a small sound near your mic and check whether the bar responds. If the volume bar moves when you speak, that means Microsoft Teams is detecting your microphone input correctly. That's a good sign that your audio is working and ready for your meeting. If the bar doesn't move, it may mean the wrong microphone is selected, your mic is muted, or your device permissions need to be checked. In that case, you can stay in the lobby and review your selected input device before joining. This quick check is one of the easiest ways to confirm your microphone is being recognized in Teams. It only takes a moment, and it can save you from technical problems once the meeting begins. And that's it. That's how to test audio in Microsoft Teams.